In our previous video, we discussed simple linear regression. We have seen if we are given a set of values for the independent variable x and the dependent variable y, then we can find a line that approximates the linear relationship between x and y. In other words, in linear regression, for a given set of endpoints, we try to find out the linear line that can be represented by the equation y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x, where beta 0 and beta 1 are real numbers called the intercept and the slope of the line respectively. In our previous video, we saw how to estimate the parameters beta 0 and beta 1 for a given set of n points. Interested viewers may find the link in the description. So, let's say for a given value xi, the calculated value of y is yi. We may see that the calculated value of yi does not exactly match the actual value of y, say yai, and the difference between this yai and yi is called the error. From this graph, we can see this error. The blue line represents the predicted values and the green points are the actual values. The red lines represent the errors. These errors are called residuals. Ei is equal to yai minus yi for a given xi. In other words, yai is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 xi plus ei for a given xi. And when we calculate the parameters beta 0 and beta 1, we do so in such a way that they minimize the sum of squares of these errors. In other words, beta 0 and beta 1 are calculated in such a way that summation from I is equal to 1 to n ei square is minimum, and this summation from I is equal to 1 to n ei square is called the residual sum of squares or RSS. So, RSS is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n ei square, that is equal to e1 square plus e2 square plus e3 square plus so on for a given set of endpoints. Now, let's say for a given set of endpoints, y bar is the overall mean of y. Then the total sum of squares is defined as total sum of squares is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yai minus y bar whole square. Here yai is the actual value of y for a given value xi, and y bar is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yi by n. In the graph, the orange line indicates the overall mean of y values and the red lines indicate yai minus y bar for a given point xi yi. So, if we take all these distances and square them and then sum them up, we get the total sum of squares or TSS. And the term r square is defined as r square is equal to 1 minus RSS by TSS. So, a linear regression model for which the calculated values of y exactly match the actual values of y, summation from I is equal to 1 to n ei square will be 0. Therefore, RSS will be 0 and hence r square is equal to 1 minus RSS by TSS will be 1. A linear regression model which always predicts yi to be the overall mean y bar, TSS is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yai minus y bar whole square, and RSS is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yai minus yi whole square, that is equal to summation from I is equal to 1 to n yai minus y bar whole square. So, RSS by TSS will be equal to 1 and R square will be equal to 0. If a linear regression model performs worse than this, then R square will be negative. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.